Ketchup, we love ketchup. It's our favorite thing. Ketchup, we love ketchup. Ketchup on everything. Ketchup